Hey guys, welcome back to Ceaning Vlogs. Today is a spring cleaning day. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna get ready for my bike so I can store it in here. So as you can see, we got a lot of things in there. Most of it is our Christmas decoration. So this is my cleaning outfit. It's a day off, so I can dress how I want to, right? Just, right? So let's get started. So I don't need these anymore. Well, the mop maybe, but not the brooms. Vacuum. No. This is just cans and bottles. So I choose to donate to cerebral palsy because they also come to your door and pick up your items, and it goes for a good cause, you know? That's a good cause. Can't see Novelle, but she's over there. Okay, I'm gonna get started. Guys, I did purchase one of these from Amazon, and it is the best thing I invested in. There's never hair on my floor. I'll leave the link down below, but there's never hair on my floor, and Keanu programmed it to do like 3 o'clock in the morning, so everybody's sleeping at that time. But that's a good thing to have. My floors are always clean. I'm just gonna sweep around here. There's dog hair in there. And this is Navelle's bag that I bought on Wish, I would like to say. It's not a bad bag. I used to use it to put her inside when I catch the bus before. But now I hardly take her anywhere. That's the COVID and stuff, yeah? So, got more lights. More bags. I don't know if in your town you guys have to bring your own bags to the grocery store or purchase the bag for 16, 17 cents. Here in Hawaii, if you don't bring your own bag and you want a bag, you gotta buy it. Like there's the paper bags, 15, 16, 17 cents. One of my tripods. Oh wait. This is like our little toolbox. It wasn't a bag, but it's better in the box. I can see much better. And I got some stuff to paint, like when the girls come over and stuff. But this is one that I did, my first one ever. Wait, let me see. It's not the best, but I tried. I'm not a painter for sure. And this is one that Treese was starting, but she never finished. It looks really nice. But yeah, when the girls come over, we can do that kind of stuff. And this has like nothing in it, so we're gonna go and stuff it with something. Oh, it just feels like nothing, but it has these stuff in it. Yes, there's a lot of stuff down in there. So I'm gonna put some stuff in there. There is a lot of our Christmas stuff. And you know, Keanu, he loves Christmas. I love Christmas. We all love Christmas. It just brings happiness during that time, you know what I mean? In there, if I can. Somehow this too got... Let's go in here. Okay, so we got another one. It's not really light. It's just like a little bit light stuff in there, not too heavy. Okay, so I'm almost got everything out. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna mop inside. This is our storage. It still has our big tree on the bottom there, but I didn't want to move that. But it's a decent size, I guess. Yeah, for me and my son, it's decent. Like, yeah, in Hawaii, you don't get much space in your homes, your property, you know. Alright guys, so I got most of the stuff back in. Yes. Money and time. And I'm just letting I'm watching letting the YouTube play. In just a few years. It's a 5-in-1 device and it leverages multiple technologies. So this is the best I could do. At least it has some room for the bike. There. We do have like a bike rack outside, but I just don't want to put it outside yet, you know? Okay, so now I'm just mopping my floor, and cooking my lunch. For lunch today, I am just having some chorizo. I'm just gonna eat that with some rice. This stuff is really tasty. It's so good with the rice. I don't know if you guys could smell it. It smells so good. It's my lunch, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat lunch and continue in a little bit. Hi, Mr. Bear. Hi, what you doing? Guys, so now I'm gonna tackle my under the sink drawer. Look at it. Looks like a mess, huh? Okay, so we're just gonna take everything out. These stuff is really good for the toilet. You just put like you put it into the toilet, and then when it rinses, it has a scent. I like that stuff. Okay, so here we go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use this to put all my shampoos and stuff inside. So I got a lot of shampoos and conditioner. Keanu, he doesn't want me to leave it all inside the shower. Okay, so let's get that going. There we go. then you see these guys. This is my favorite things, but look at from the bath store. Look, that's the only thing I hate about it, because it makes my, but it's pretty, but they need to make some that doesn't rust like this bad. So I'm just gonna like throw it, because it just makes, you know, it makes your stuff stain. So I'm just gonna put the cleaning stuffs on the side, and then these are done. We got some cups here. Put that in the back there. Then we got some sponges. There. Put that in the back there. So it kind of looks better, right? A little bit. Okay, I can give these away to somebody when they come. And then my toothpaste, and then voila! It looks pretty clean now. So I'm gonna put this here for now, underneath. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so at least I did that. It's not the best, but it does, you know, it looks better than it was. All right, today is my nephew. Well, we're having my nephew's party, and then I'm just gonna share with you guys all the desserts that we have today. Look at that. Yes, I'm on a diet. And then we got like a carrot cake, I believe this is. Yeah. So look at that, guys. Okay. And then we got, what is that one? Oh, this is a Boston cream pie. Oh, look at that, guys. Okay, this one should have been in the refrigerator, yeah? Let's go. And then we got the one that I ate the other day.
Oh,
Yay, it's so pretty.
This one, look at it. Oh,
Chef made double layer ube.
chantilly cake. This one was really delicious, guys.
It is sweet potato. Walking on.
Tastes really. It's not very sweet. It's just right. Yep. Hey guys. So I didn't completely finish cleaning yesterday, but look what happened. I dyed my hair again. I always do stuff like that. Just like I just want to do it, and I do it, you know. I don't know what's wrong with me. My brain. But anyways, I'm gonna continue cleaning maybe in we'll see, not today. So I'm just gonna close up this video, and then it'll be like part 1. I'll just use some spicy ahi. Looks good, huh? But I'm just gonna continue, not today, but maybe tomorrow, with another video. I was hungry today. I ate 1 patele and some raw fish. Alrighty, guys. So I will see you all in my next upload, and I'm gonna have some. This was good. This pineapple coconut one. It was good. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.